Hi, Deep. Would like to talk about the project page. So these are all the areas that need to be improved. The first one is this area. I think one picture should be added to this area. Make it four. This is one, two, three. They are good enough, but let us add one more here so that we don't have any empty space from here. So that will look good. So this area is good. The logo, uh, the project names is good. So this one is good. And this pricing supposed to be from the lowest property price in the project to the highest price, not the same price. Okay, so this need to be from the lowest to the highest price. And like I told you, let all this money shows with comma. This is not nice because it's not showing with comma. So when they key in, make it automatically shows in commas so that it look like money. And you see this, I think now need to put this. So I've actually explained that when I was talking about the calculators. So if you watch that video, then you will see it. So for these ones, I think in all areas of this website, I think we don't need to add this to it. So we should try to remove this and let everything show in comma so that it look good. So this one is good, and this again, this is just one. This is supposed to show all the bedrooms types, 3, 4, whatever they have in the project, similar to this. You see they have bedroom 1, 2, 3, 4. So we should try to have something like that so that we all the types of bedrooms in the project can shows here. So I think every other thing here is good, then it's good. So another thing we need to do is this blank area. This blank area, we need to do something. So what we need to do is this. We need to bring this YouTube video one on the top. We need to bring this one, then followed by professional information, and followed by contact seller. 1, 2, 3. This is going to be the last one. 1, professional information 2, and contact seller 3. We need to bring 3 of them and put them from here. So here is the video 1. Below it is the professional information 2. Then the last one is the contact seller 3. We need to put them here. And when we move this, only the contact seller should show something like this. Something like this one. So you see, we keep moving. So you see it. You see it until we get to the bottom, then it stop. So I think we should do something like that. So we put 3 of them here. So when it gets to the contact seller will keep showing until we get to the bottom here, and nothing should be here. No need, so that we don't have a big empty space here. So no need to put this one here. We put it beside there. I think design will look better if we do it in that way. So that is clear enough. So let's go back to this area. This is good. I think we maintain this. This is good. This is good. So this area, I think this nearest hospital, maybe we put it below here or we put it up here. And this M should not be separated from here. It should stay here. This hem, we should move it down here, just like this. This is good. So let this also look like the one above, so that design look good. So we need to pay attention to all these details. That is how we can derive a very wonderful design. So you see, so we need to put it there. So that is good. If we can move it to that side, then we keep moving down. All these are good. These are beautiful design. This design is also good. But one thing, before I move down, I would like to call your attention to the distance between different topics. You see this one, you need to pay attention to the gap here. This gap, we start from here. These are good, you see. But look at this. It seems it's too close to this, which make it not nice. So pay attention to that. You see the gap between here and here is too big. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the gap here. Look at the gap here. Look at the gap here. Look at the gap from here to this place, and look at the gap from here to this place. It's just too wide. So we need to pay attention. So you need to pay attention to them. You see this one? We need to just pay attention to them. The gap here, need to pay attention so that everything look uniform. That's will make the design look good if you pay attention to all these details. You see that is why everything look jumble up everywhere and the design not looking good, because attentions are not putting into these designs. You see, apart from that, all these areas are good. Just pay attention to all these when you're doing it so they can look good. Okay, so pay attention to them. Pay attention to this, all this space, like I mentioned above. Pay attention to all this space here and the space here and the space between here. Let them be uniform so that everything look together. Pay attention to all these gaps. Everything, let them look uniform. Okay, so for this one, active listing, so we need to have here, we need to have listing for sales. So up under listing for sales, you have this. Then after that, we need to have listing for rent if they have it. So all the listing for sales in this project, everything will show. Maybe we have another one bedroom, 2 bedroom, it will show here, everything we listed there. Then after this, we are going to have listing for rent, similar to this. Yes, you see, active listing. Active listing for sales. They have it, then they have this. Then listing for rent, then they have this. So in this project, if they have listing for sales and listing for rent, everything should be shown. Then you have this, whereby when we click this, then it will take you to where you can see all the listing. When you click this, it can take us to where we can see all the listings in this project. Or when we click view listing for sales or view listing for rent, it will take us where we can see all the listings on this project. But on this property page, it has to list all of them. Okay, so that is good. So this is okay. This commute and nearby places map is okay. So this is also okay for now. So the design is okay. So you just need to pay attention to all this gap, like I mentioned earlier. You see, look at this, but look at this one. It's just not nice. Look at the gap from here to here. Look at the gap from here to here and see this gap to here. That is why you need to pay. Apart from that, the design is okay. So here, you see the datas are not showing. Date, block, unit, the datas are not showing. The datas supposed to show, but the datas are not showing for this transaction history. So all the datas needs to show for all this. You only put this. So like I explained on the property page, the same thing here. So the data should be shown on this property page. So this is going to be the last one, which is the map. So the yearly price trend. So sorry, not map, this chart. So this chart is going to be the last one. So let me go back. So this is going to be the last one. So this chart is going to be the last one. So after that, nothing more, finish. So all this one, we already move it up. That is where I started from. I think that is all what I can remember for now. If you can work on those things, I think we'll be getting close to what we are trying to achieve with the property and the project page, because all these pages are very important since they are the one we are promoting to the users and those people that will be paying on this website. So that is why we really need to work on the design so that the when we do the programming, it can all look good and presentable to the user, and it can make us stand out among all uh, others websites. So if I remember anything later on, then I will let you know. But for now, that's all. Thank you.